What's going on, you beautiful sons of bitches? No. Alright, so, your Corvette will not start. Here's the old fuel filter with the one spark plug that got replaced the other day when y'all was here. Here's your old fuel filter. Obviously we don't have smell cam. This is the old filter. Yeah, there's some little gas leaking out. Ta-da! But yeah, there's your old fuel filter. So that's your old shit right there. Right there's old shit. This is new shit. So yeah, making the video here to show you. It's just easier so you can see. See that little box right there? Right here. Right there. Got the two nuts right there. And a plug that just lifts up right there. There's your wiper motor. There's the valve cover. Let me pull backwards so you don't forget. There's the master cylinder. That's your fuel pump relay. I would replace that and then go from there. The vehicle won't start. It's still not getting fuel. Most likely it's the fuel pump. But the relay is going to be cheaper. And if you put it on and it still doesn't start, then you can keep the old one as a backup. Because General Motors products, they're known for the relays going bad and the fuel pumps. But the fuel pump's going to be a bitch to do. The relay's right here and easy to do. Also, this vehicle has numerous leaks. And it's got, I think it's got brake caliper or seal or something leaking. Look down there in the wheel. When you jack it up, the whole underside of the car there is soaking wet. I noticed it once I had it up in the fucking air. And yeah, your fuel filter here, up underneath there, inside there, right in there, underneath that cross member, right there. You can actually see the tip of it up in there. But you had to take the old cross member off the bottom of the car. It's a big giant X right there. I'm about a fucking bitch. This car was all up in the air. This fucking hood goes up past the fucking rafters. It was so high up in the air. Had all four corners of the car up in the air. Anyways, all my shit in the back of the truck. Also, I took that bolt and put it over in the backyard. Piece of shit. So, anyways, yeah, you need a fuel pump relay or the fuel pump. I'd buy the relay, replace that first, because it's only a few bucks, I would imagine, versus having to do a fuel pump. Fuel pump's going to be harder to do and probably more expensive. But it's still not getting fuel. Hit it with some ether, it'll fire up, and then it dies. It's not getting fuel. There's only three things. Fuel pump, fuel filter, or fuel pump relay, which tells the fuel pump to kick on. So, yeah. Still won't start, though. I can hit it with the heater and it'll fire up, but yeah. Hey, do you all see what I see here? Your gauges are all working normal. Earlier, the whole time they've been flickering and flashing, going nuts. Huh. Well, that's weird. But General Motors products are known for having wiring problems. Not just the Corvettes. I mean, all GMs. That's why I don't like GMs. They have numerous tedious little issues that are really a pain in the ass, unlike Fords. But anyways, yeah. Huh, what are the odds of that shit? Weird. Okay, well, y'all get this message. I'll send it to you both on Facebook Messenger. Call me, text me, whatever. All right, bye.